Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the known host error you get when you try and SSH into a Linux device from the Android terminal emulator. Um, it's not really a huge error. You can still do everything you need to do. It's just a little annoying because it adds, four more keystrokes, I suppose. It's such a simple fix that it's worth actually fixing rather than just ignoring. First thing I'm going to do is show you guys exactly what's happening when it's doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and SSH to my Raspberry Pi. Alright, up here you can see it could not create the directory. It's going to be a permission issue. Um, so we're going to have to create it for the Android. And here it says failed to add the host to known host. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and then back out real quick. Now, the first thing I want to do is actually verify that the file that it's looking for is not there. So we want to cd, which is change directory, into data and .ssh, and it says it's not there. And just to be completely sure here, let's go ahead and cd into data. All right, now we're in data. Now, what we want to do here is make the .ssh directory. We need root access to do this. If you don't have root access, unfortunately, you won't be able to do this. So go ahead and type in SU, that stands for super user, and then once you hit enter, it's going to prompt you for permission. Um, you can do remember this choice forever, which is actually probably your best bet, or you can just do this time only. I'll go ahead and remember forever. All right, now you can see here we are root, and we're no longer inside the data directory. So go ahead and cd back into data. And now we want to make the .ssh directory. So it's mkdir space and then .ssh. And it made it. So just to verify we made it, cd /data /.ssh, and you'll see that we're now in the SSH directory. Alright, just to prove a point and show you guys something here real quick, go ahead and exit from your super user access. Now, that the file is there, we can try and SSH into it. And it no longer gives us the error up here where it says it can't make the directory, which is a good thing, but it still will fail to add because even though we made the directory, it doesn't have the permissions it needs to actually write to that file. So what we need to do now is go ahead and go back into superuser, get back into the root, and we need to adjust the permissions. Um, Unfortunately, we have to give it full access. Anything less than full access, it still won't be able to write to that. So what you want to do is type in chmod, not sd, and give it 777, which is full access, and then type in the directory, which would be /data /.ssh, and hit enter. And now that is done. So go ahead and exit from superuser again, and I'll show you that it has worked. Go ahead and SSH back into your Linux device. Again, still no error. And right here we can see it permanently added the uh, the device to the known host. So go ahead and put in your password, and there you are. We're in. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll see if I can answer them for you. Enjoy.